In this video, we will animate the simulation result. Open a part file with solved simulation study. Get the simulation result view. Click Animate on Results menu. There are three main buttons on Animate menu: Play button, Stop button, and Record button. Press Play button to animate the simulation result. This Play button becomes Pause button while animation is played. Press Pause button to pause animation, or Stop button to stop it. Check one way to make animation repetitive in one direction. Check two way to make animation repetitive in two directions. Set speed to make animation to be slowest, slow, normal, fast, or fastest. Set steps to set number of simulation result interpolation to be animated. Set step to know the certain interpolated simulation result. Press Record button to record and save the simulation result animation. Try to find the animation file, then open it.